Ganon, yun na yun. So, buti na yun, at least.
So how did you know? How did you know? Like Marissa, how did you know that Anthony was the one?
Parang that night that I prayed to receive Jesus in my life, my eyes were opened to seeing Anthony as the one.
Talaga?
Kasi I was so distracted then eh. And then after I had this encounter with the Lord, I looked at him differently, but I just couldn't explain what it was. But I was sure it was him.
Ako naman, tumanggap siya ng Panginoon, my disposition changed and she became an option.
In other words, this whole time is option.
Hindi kasi kailangan may proseso para i-confirm.
Yes.
I go through this process of confirming. So talk to your parents, go to the word, mga ganun. So then actually, she sought advice from different people.
Yeah.
In fact, we decided to give each other space for a few months. And then when we came back, we attended this retreat, na couples retreat. Doon na-confirm na that we would continue on.
Couples retreat?
Oh, parang
singles, couples.
Singles retreat for those who are looking at, partners in the future. Parang how to know the one. Parang gano'n.
Yeah. So how long was the courtship, the engagement, and then before
mga 6 months, 1 year.
So after we knew that we wanted to pursue a relationship with each other, nag-exclusive dating muna kami for mga few months.
I don't know.
And then after that, he asked me not to be his wife. Walang boyfriend-girlfriend stage.
Nice.
And then we were married, and then we're here. Ang bilis.
Oh, when you say that you're here, I have this. This was recently. This was when?
That was our 25th year.
So anong
with our kids. They all celebrated it with us. So.
3 years ago, bale.
Oo.
So actually, before
Peninsula yan.
Before we started this Zoom with you guys, our daughter, si Ella, just handed us a card. And she said, while Christmas is coming, your anniversary is gonna come first. And we have booked you in a resort for an overnight stay so that you can enjoy your anniversary.
No choice. Reserved na raw. Reserved na.
Talaga? Pinapaalis na kayo?
Wow, ang sarap niyan when it's the kids now treating you, or ano ba yung
Exactly.
Yeah, they always really pamper us with these things, and they really enjoy seeing us go out on our dates. Nag-start kasi ito nung maliliit pa sila. We will go out on our weekly dates. Tapos during the time na nag-uumpisa pa lang kami mag-date regularly away from the kids, sinasabi nila, huwag na kayo umalis, we'll prepare something for you. We'll prepare a nice dinner, and then we'll have a spa, we'll take care of you, ganyan. Tapos later on, sabi nila, you know what? You should date. You should not miss out on your dates because we really like it when you go out on a date. So they also surprise us in these kinds of ways. Kakatuwa.
Yeah.
Why do you think the kids like seeing you go out on dates?
I think they see the result. We're happier. We're happier and more relieved and more relaxed after. So they have better parents when their parents date.
So these are the kids. Can you introduce them?
Of course, Ella is there. She's 25. Okay. That's where's Ella there?
Nakita mo ba yung?
Oh, Ella.
Ella, ito sa katabi ko si Ella.
Oh.
Tapos si Benjamin.
Benjamin is the 4th. He
how old?
is 20.
Okay, tapos Solana.
Solana is 10. Donnie's 23.
And Hannah's 22.
Hannah is 22.
So I first met them when Benj was 5 years old. He was just about to have his heart surgery.
Yeah, I remember.
He was 4 at that time.
Actually, 4 pa nun. 4 pa nun. So it was
yeah, I remember.
Woo!
We were at New World Hotel. We prayed for you guys before you left for the States. or going back to love, what kind of courtship advice do you give your kids who are old enough?
Oh my gosh. Love that person all the way.
Okay.
So at first, that shocked them.
All the way?
That-
Ano yun?
That all the
Marital
way?
sex,
Oh.
di ba pag sinabing all the way?
Oo nga.
That
Pero at least maganda yon. I got their attention, di ba? So ano bang love? To do what's best for the other person. Right? When you do what is best, like Jesus died for us, what is best you will do, you will sacrifice for what is best. And if it is such that you realize na hindi pala kayo bagay, that you don't bring out the best in each other, alam mo yung gano'n na hindi kayo para sa isa't isa, dapat kaibigan lang, not any further, well, then you do what is best. All the way means say goodbye. And that has been actually a very good piece of advice that they've passed on to each other. To do what's best for the other person, even if it means saying goodbye. So, ako yun ang natatandaan ko.
That means you allow them to have girlfriend-boyfriend relationships.
Yeah, well,
Well, si Ella pa lang naman talaga yung merong boyfriend for 5 years na, and her boyfriend actually became friends first with Anthony. Kung ano yung guidelines and ano yung gusto ni Anthony for the relationship, game siya.
alam mo, I want to clarify. I think when the kid turns a certain age, whether you like it or not, choice na nila yun eh. Di ba? What they like.
What's the allowable age to have a
Wala nga eh. Wala eh. Walang allowable age eh.
Wala.
Okay, if you wanna allow, di ba 18, 21 ba yan?
I mean, you give them
Allow.
guidelines. No.
Di ba? Pero after 21, whether you allow it or not, that's their
Oh, yeah,
choice, right?
Of course.
Pero ang maganda kay Ella, for example, even if there was no need to ask for permission, she wanted her boyfriend to meet us, and she wanted our blessing first. That for us was ano.
Yeah, that's special. It's
Oh,
very
iba yun.
special.
Iba yun. Yung I wanted to meet my dad first.
And he also wanted to do what was right.
Diba? So ganun yun. I think when you give them their freedom, not naman all the time, but most of the time they'll come back to you.
So 21 is
Yeah, and so both of them have a relationship with the Lord, and they pursue Him, and they take care of each other. They allow us to be involved in their relationship. Hindi lang yung silang dalawa. I don't know if I can say more kwentos about it, but we're already going into their private life.
And they've been social distancing. So okay yun.
The pandemic. No,
Okay.
but really, yung maganda kasi doon is makita mo sila na mag-grow and then maging magkaibigan and then magkaroon ng parehong pananampalataya sa Panginoon, because then meron kayong common core values
Right.
na pwede ninyong balikan at balikan na syempre kinakatuwa naman namin yun.
So si Ella pala,
So 21 years old and above. Pag below 21, hindi pa pwede.
No, pwede naman. What I'm saying lang is,
so
I
like
think
when
we're-
they were
we're-
growing up, what was like, did you have, okay, kids, ito yung guidelines in the house, okay, if someone's gonna
Yung
court you,
parenting na to.
do you bring them to the house, or or your eldest, it's Donnie, di ba?
So you know what? I don't remember us having yung mga madaming rules about courtship and boyfriend, girlfriend. Ang alam ko lang na palagi namin ina-encourage, lalo na nung lumalaki sila, is welcome mo yung mga kaibigan nila sa bahay. Tapos, kami ay magiging available kung sino man ang may kailangan ng help or counseling or whatever ideas for gimmicks, ganyan. Parang we're just part of their barkadahan. So, pagka ganun kasi yung ginawa mo na culture sa bahay mo, parang magkakaroon ng open communication. And so, parang I don't remember us having too many conversations about, dapat ganitong
I think,
meron
okay.
ka ng boyfriend.
Okay. Sa boyfriend, wala masyado. Pero sa friends, meron.
Oo.
So, kung lalabas, for example, alam nila to, as young as, I don't know, even before teenage years, if you're going to be invited to go out, okay, and you're going to ask permission, where are you going? With whom? How are you going there? How are you going home? Ganon eh. Very clear yun. So whenever they ask permission, meron silang mga information na kailangan i-provide. And then, pag nasagot nila yung mga questions na yon, then we make our permission, available. We also, of course, kung kailangan hatid, ganun-ganon. Pag hindi nila ma-fill up yung information na yon, hindi na sila nagtatanong.
Pagod na sila. Si Hana nga gumawa pa ng form eh.
Meron pang
Para
form.
i-check na lang nila, tsaka fill in the blanks na lang. Kasi sabi niya, pagod na siya na, kakasabi na, ito yung mga tao, dito, ganyan, ganitong oras aalis, ganitong oras babalik. Parang for us naman, pasensya na, kasi imbis na paulit-ulit din naman kami nagtatanong, ito naman talaga yung lahat ng tatanungin namin. Hindi, memorizing nyo na.
I think that helped them embrace the idea that whenever you decide, you have to follow a process.
Right.
Follow a process. Another thing is yung partnering in parenting. We introduced them early on to our mentors, to church leaders. We actually made them go through the experience of attending different churches. We go to 3 or 4 different churches.
Actually,
Yeah.
right now,
Diba? No, I just wanted to finish that thought lang. So what happened was, because they are accountable to different people, not just to us, ngayon pa lang, kahit na wala pang boyfriend or girlfriend yung iba, alam namin na they make themselves accountable to other people, not just to us. And we made sure that happened earlier. If they were not comfortable with our church, they went to Tita Angeli's church. If they were not comfortable in this church, they went to Tito Joseph Church or whatever. So now we're going to, I think, 4 different churches. But we know all the elders, the leaders, the pastors. And we know that when they make decisions, they have their accountability groups.
ang
Does that
nakakatuwa
make sense?
dyan, they have their own mentors who are our mentors. So, they are meeting our mentors
Meron din
on a
ganon.
regular basis.
Oh.
At ngayon, nagkaroon sila ng lisensya just in case kailangan nila magsumbong sa mga mentors nila about us. Aba, may lisensya na silang magsumbong. Mga wais kasi they're also being mentored by our mentors.
Wow. Sarap nun. That's amazing.
Well, most of the time. There are
Yeah.
cases where they would rather not be accountable. They would like.
But I think ang nangyari din is yung culture na chine-check ka, nagpapa-check ka, tapos meron din silang chine-check. Kasi ngayon, our children are also taking care of other children in such a way na yung kaedad nila, may mga peers sila na inaalagaan din nila para magkaroon din ng sort of guidance and direction. And in that way, sila din na-check. Kasi di ba, like you said, kung meron kang show na ganito, parang ikaw yung naka-counsel. Sila din, in that way, meron silang gina-guide, nag-guide din sila. So may check and balance. I hope that answered your question about our rules and regulations.
Yeah.
But if there's one thing
More
lang, kasi
from
wala pa kayong girls eh. Mag-girls pa kayo, di ba?
Tanong natin si ano.
Si Lord.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, sa mga girls, yung mga daddy na may mga girls, ito po yung tip ko sa inyo. Super asikasuhin nyo, bigyan nyo ng super over pansinin nyo yung mga anak nyo, i-date nyo sila, regaluhan nyo sila, parang shower them with all the attention that you can give them. Why? Because if they are secure with themselves, with the presence of their father here on earth, they will not want to find security in other men or other places.